All right, guys, this is the Drill Master Orbital Palm Sander, and this is my 3-year ownership report. So I bought this in the summer of 2017, and I've used this a handful of times a year. I've built 2 entertainment centers, 2 benches, a countertop. I've built a couple coffee tables, a set of stairs, a kiddie swing holder, several shelves. I've built a bathroom wall and sanded this, and I've done a whole bunch more. But what I'm trying to say is I've used this pretty regularly every summer. This is $13.99 at Harbor Freight, but you can always find a coupon to get it for 10 bucks. So what can you expect after 3 years of ownership with regular use? Well, the rubber pad's gonna get pretty beat up and gouged. These little spring clips that hold the sandpaper on might get worn out and lose their springiness, and I've actually had to bend these in order to keep the sandpaper on correctly. And that little hose that connects to a bag on the back there, that's gonna fly off and you're never gonna find it again. Okay, so after 3 years of owning this thing, I can tell you 3 things. It always turns on, it doesn't overheat, and it sands things. For 10 bucks, if you're gonna use this a handful of times a year like I do, this is a knockout. I will demonstrate on this butcher block that I cut recently. It just has a little bit of a rough edge. All right, now that edge is nice and smooth. It only took a couple passes to smooth that out. So is this gonna take paint off of your car? No. Is this gonna remove rust from a rusty trailer or something? No, it's not, but it's really good for light uses. And again, like I said, for 10 bucks, it's a great tool. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, share the video, like, all that good stuff. But most of all, thank you so much for watching as always. I appreciate you, and be good to each other.